Many people have this goal that they want to read a book every week. In this video, I'm going to show you and prove it to you why you can read a book every week and hopefully motivate you to read daily. Hi, I'm Srinivas Vakati, a chartered accountant by qualification and creator of Become an Expert Learner online course where I teach people how to read faster, how to read a book every week and apply the wisdom in their lives. An average non-fiction book has around 50,000 words, and around the world, most of the world's population reads at around 250 words per minute. So, if you read at 250 words per minute, it will take around 200 minutes to finish 50,000 words. So, that's approximately 3 hours. So, theoretically, you can finish an entire non-fiction book in just 3 hours. I know you are thinking it is too good to be true. Yes, it is. So this calculation assumes that you are reading entire page or every page in the book at the same speed and your focus is same throughout. It's practically not possible. I am with you on this. So let's take a worst case scenario. Let's assume that your reading speed is less than 250 words per minute and your focus is not that great. And let's double the time it will take to finish the book. So it will take approximately 6 hours to finish 50,000 words book. With this speed, even if you read for 1 hour a day, you can finish an entire book in a week, even after taking Sunday off. So if you commit to yourself and plan your day, you can finish an entire book in a week's time. Now, let's look at reading this book from other perspective. Instead of reading for 1 hour a day, let's assume that you decide to read only 50 pages a day. On an average, it will take around 60 to 75 minutes to read 50 pages. Some of you may read faster and some of you may read slower. Just by making this commitment of reading 50 pages a day and even taking the weekend off, you will be able to finish 250-page book in just 5 days. That's an average size of a non-fiction book. If you read 50 pages a day for 5 days a week, you will be able to finish 250 pages in week's time. And if you do this for every week, you will be able to finish 13,000 pages in a year. Imagine what your life or what your career and what your business and what your relationships would be if you read 13,000 pages a year and implement what you learn in all areas of your life. Now, you might be saying to yourself that I don't have time to read 50 pages a day. It's completely alright, I understand. What I would recommend is, why don't you start small? Why don't you start with, let's say, 25 pages a day? Or why don't you start reading just 10 pages a day? That's achievable, right? What's more important is you developing the reading habit or developing the daily reading habit. That's more important. Just start with 10 pages a day, and if you think even that's not possible, start with just 1 page a day. And over the time, over few weeks or few months, increase that number of pages. Calculate for yourself how many books you can read in 10 years if you just develop the habit of reading daily and see the possibilities. You have two options now. Option number one, either feel guilty that you don't read daily or you don't have that habit of reading daily to enhance your knowledge, or go with option number two, which is start small and develop the habit of reading daily. Be a person who reads books instead of talking about it. In the long run, the results you achieve will be outstanding. Remember, choose to be an expert learner.